Good morning, student. Today my topic is Look Back in Anger. This is a 20th century drama and it was written by John Osborne. First time it performed on the stage in 1956. After that, Osborne published it in 1957. This is a realistic play which was written in 3 acts, and the theme of this drama is anger, and the protagonist who represent the angry young man situation in this play. And we can say this is an example of kitchen sink drama also, and this term first time used by David Slusters. Main characters in this drama are Jimmy Porter, Allison. Jimmy Porter and Allison's are a married couple. Jimmy is husband and Allison is wife. Cliff Lewis is a friend of Jimmy Porter, who is a very peaceful person, and Allison's friend is Helena Charles. Helena Charles is a snobbish type of personality which create many confusion between Jimmy and Allison. As I already say, this is a realistic play, and in this play, Osborne focus on the life and marital struggle of an intelligent and educated but unaffected young man of working class society. Here Jimmy Porter, who is a son of a worker and he belonged from lower middle class society. Allison, who belong from upper class society. So the problem of these couple is their class, their status, and many other things of the society. As this play follow the story of husband wife, Jimmy Porter and Allison. Allison and Jimmy Porter, as they attempt to navigate class conflict and deal with a marriage life in 1950s of England. Allison comes from a traditional upper class background, as I already told about it, and Jimmy comes from a working class background. He is a highly educated, but he has so many problems with the class of Allison, with the Allison family, and especially with upper class society peoples. According to Jimmy, as he many times said, that upper class society peoples don't have experience of real problems, and he many times take revenge with Allison's just because of her class. Jimmy thinks that suffering is the only way to experience true human emotion, and that Allisons and other upper class peoples are therefore less alive than he is. As according to Jimmy, Allisons don't have so many original experience of problems and life. Jimmy's attempt to shock his wife Allison into some display of emotions, and he insulted her family and complained that all women are out to destroy man. And again he present his frustration, especially to upper class society. Here we have other character, that is Cliff Lewis, who is a friend of Jimmy. Cliff helps Allison's and he give always a wonderful suggestion to her. That's why Allison's reveal her secret in front of Jimmy, and she has not told Jimmy yet because she is afraid that he will be feel trapped and angry. Here we have another character, that is Helena Charles, who is a friend of Allison, and she create many problem between husband and wife, and just because of her bad advice, Allison's left her home, and Cliff also don't like to Helena. After this, we have another example. We have another example of Act Second. Allison's explained to Helena why she is with Jimmy, and this scene allows Osborne to explore idea of masculinity and other things. As Helena create many problems in their relationship, and finally she also realized the enormity of her guilt because Allison stand before her and looking tired and sick and miserable because she lost her child. Helena also realized that no one can be happy while committing a wrong and hurting somebody else. And finally, Jimmy gives expression to his very decided view of human relationship. When Helena leaves, Jimmy attempts to once again become angry, but Allison tells him that she has now gone through the emotional and physical suffering as she lost her child, and he has always wanted her to feel. After this, Jimmy realized that she has suffered greatly, has become like him, and Osborne end the play with happy notes as couple Jimmy and Allison embracing once again and playing their game of bear and squirrel. Osborne play was the first to explore the theme of angry young men. Angry young men, uh, as this title presented by Jimmy, the main protagonist. This term describes a generation of post-World War II and working class men who generally ascribe to leftist sometimes and politics and social views. Jimmy Porter is often considered to be literature's seminal example of angry young man. Jim is angry at the social and political structure that he believes has kept him from achieving his dream and aspirations. So, that is the theme of this play. Thank you.